In this demo we will use curl to check whether a website is accessible. And then we'll check the context type of the existing document root. And after that we will create a new directory that will function as the new document root. Then change the httpd.conf file and restart the web server. And after that, HTTPD will no longer be able to access the index.html because SELINUX will block access. Now let's create the new index.html with a simple greeting. Then we check whether the web server is up and running, and we see it's active and it's running. And then we use curl to connect, and everything is fine. Next thing we do is we create a new directory to become the new document root. Let's create it in var and call it web server. Then after that we create a new index.html with some content in it. And then we check the context type of the web server directory and we see that it's of the var type. And HTTPD itself is of the HTTPD type, which is a different domain, so we can expect some difficulties. Now we will have to change the configuration file for the web server to point to the new document root. I use SED to do that, so I simply change every occurrence of the current document root and replace it with the new directory we just created. And just to make sure, I check whether the change was successful, and it was. So now we restart HTTPD. And then we run curl again, and indeed access is not allowed. And when we check the HTTPD error log, it tells us that we are denied access based upon no permissions. Okay, now let's have a look at the commands that can help us with this problem.